Hello guys, let's discuss about how to access list items from the existing list. First, we need to create a list. This is the list A, and check list of one. Sorry, A of one. Print A. Sorry, print A. It gives the result apple, banana, and cherry. Okay, and we want to check. See here, it gives the result apple, banana, and cherry. And if you want to take only apple, sorry, yeah, apple, it's 0 because index starts from 0. Run. See, if you want to take only A of 0, okay, it gives the result A. See here, 1 0 1 2 index, and within the index 0 1 2 3 4. If you want to take P, just give 1 and run this program. See here, this is the P. And if you want to from negative index, we also can do it. Print of A of -1. It gives the result cherry. Okay, cherry. See here, this is cherry. If I want to from range index, take some extend my list. Orange, kiwi, save it. That's it. Because we are taking a range function, so that's why. Print A of 2 and 3. This is 0 1 2 and 3. Let's increase also this one. Melon, comma, mango. Okay. It gives the result 0 1 2 orange gives 4. Let's understand better. 0 1 2 orange, kiwi. Okay, cherry and orange. Sorry, for it takes from starting 0 1 2 and carry. Last one is fourth one is it terminates. Okay, and if you want to take from starting to till orange, A of 4. Okay, if we take empty, it means it takes from 0. If you want to take from last, and from starting point 3 index A of, it ends at last. It gives 0 1 2 3 orange, kiwi, melon, and K. Okay, say orange, kiwi, melon, and mango. From negative also we can do it. Print a of minus 3 comma minus 1. Say kiwi and melon. 0, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3 and minus 1. See, kiwi and melon. Okay, this is 1, 2, sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If we take it as a from negative index, minus 1, minus 2, minus 7, 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. This is index. This is negative index and this is positive index. Positive index starts from 0 and negative index starts from minus 1. Okay. If you want to check the item is exist or not. Okay. Let's hide this. If apple in A, print item exist. Okay, else print item not exist. Okay, let's run this code. First I will hide this all, comment this and run it. Item exist. Okay, apple is present in the list. This is a list and this is item is present in the list. Let me check this, remove this apple and enter some name. It, what it gives? It gives item not exist in the list. See, item not exist. Okay, thank you.